Good day to all. So we have here our new version of eDMS, our version 4.0. I will show you the upgrade enhancement that we have for this version later on after natin install yung ating eDMS. This tutorial will focus on how are we going to install eDMS 4.0. So first, we open the link for the installer. Then after that, we will download the installer, right click and download the installer. We will just click here. It's just a false alarm ng ating antivirus. So we will just download the installer. This is actually safe and contains no virus. So after natin ma-download yung ating installer, install natin. Right click our installer, then run as administrator, then click yes. On this screen, you will see the welcome screen. This installer is for 32-bit or 64-bit versions of Microsoft Office Access. So, click lang natin yung next. This is our license agreement. Please read this carefully, especially our license grant on things which you are not permitted to do. Click lang natin yung agree. Kung agree tayo dyan, then do not agree. So, just cancel the installation. Click natin yung agree, then next tayo. Okay. Kung sigurado tayo sa version ng Microsoft Office na naka-install sa ating computer, piliin na lang natin yung version na sa atin. Pero kung hindi tayo sigurado, let us select itong dalawa. Pero kung sigurado tayo, naka 64-bit tayo, select natin yan. Kung hindi naman, 32-bit. Pwede rin na install nyo yung isa, and then pag hindi gumana, i-uninstall nyo, then install nyo naman yung isa. Pero kung gusto nyo na nandyan yung dalawa, pero hindi kayo sure, kaya gusto nyo nandyan yung dalawa, kaya kung ano yung gagana, yun ang gagamitin nyo. So, select yung dalawang checkbox. Then, click next. And then, this is the default. I recommend wag nyo nang palitan to avoid problem. Not unless kung gusto nyo talagang palitan, please contact me na lang. Tulungan kita paano i-set up. Pero kung you are advanced naman and kaya mong ilipat yung ating eDMS, it's up to you. Pero I recommend wag na natin i-change. Click natin yung next. And then, ito rin default, wag na natin palitan. Pero may option tayo. Shortcuts for current user, yung current account na nakalagin yung sa laptop. And then, make shortcuts available to all users. Pag may other users kayo sa laptop nyo, pwede ding nandoon yung shortcut sa kanila. So, pwede nating check yung o piliin i-tick yung pangalawang button. Then, click next tayo. Ayan, so we are ready to install. Click lang natin yung next. Nag-install na yung ating eDMS. Okay, so tapos na. We will click finish. Titingnan natin ngayon yung ating eDMS dito sa ating desktop. Ayan, nandyan na ngayon yung ating eDMS 32-bit and 64-bit. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na pag nag-install kayo ng dalawang version, maaari yung isa ayaw mag-run. So, ito, my Office version is not 32-bit. It's 64-bit, kaya hindi siya magra-run ng 32. So, i-open ko ngayon yung aking 64-bit version. Open natin. So, this is what will happen. Ayan. From this point, click mo lang yung open. And then, ayan. Sabi niya, you need to send the installation code to the following to obtain license key or activation key. Activation code. So, yan yung installation code natin. Pwede nyo i-take note yan kasi isi-send nyo yan sa akin sa email o kaya ay sa CP or naglagay ako ng actually link, magre-reply ako actually ng link kung saan tayo magre-register or re-request for activation. Click lang natin yung OK. Ayan, so ilalagay natin yung ating school ID and then ilalagay natin yung ating school name and then kokopyahin natin yung ating installation code. Itong installation code na yan ay isi-send natin doon sa activation request form na isi-send ko rin sa inyo by request. So, after nyo na-send sa akin yan, ay magsi-send back ako sa inyo ng activation key. At yun ang i-enter nyo dito sa ating activation key na field. Kunyari, ay nag-send na kayo sa akin ng activation or installation code. Nagbigay ako ng activation key. So, i-insert nyo dyan yung activation key. Then, click nyo lang yung activate. Ayan. So, after nyong na-activate yung ating eDMS, sa sign in tayo gamit yung username na user, password naman ay user. Ayan. Kung gusto kayong gumawa ng sariling account, click nyo lang itong click here to register. Then click natin yung login. Yan, so ito yung next step. Please select your database file to begin. So ang gagawin lang natin ay click natin yung select and then isi-select natin yung data source. Pagkatapos nating ma-select yung ating data source, click lang natin ang OK. And then click lang natin ang OK. And then click natin ulit yung OK. Pagkatapos ay i-reload lang natin yung ating eDMS. Click lang natin ulit yung open. Open lang natin ulit. Double click lang natin. And then after that, click natin ulit yung open. Yan. And then ita-type natin yung ating username and password. Click natin yung login. At pagkatapos niyan ay di-display itong ating dashboard. From the dashboard naman ay refresh lang tayo. Click natin yung settings and then si-set natin yung ating file directory. Ayan. So, by default, meron na tayong file directory. Click lang natin yung open. Pag nag-open yan, ibig sabihin, that's okay. So, nasa eDMS scanned files. Kung hindi naman, ay click natin yung file directory. Click natin yung set. And then, punta tayo doon sa ating eDMS folder na nasa documents natin. And then, select natin yung scanned files. Kasi dyan papasok yung ating mga nakascan na files. Click natin yung OK. And then, OK. Then, close natin. Close. Then, refresh. So, naset na natin yung ating eDMS. Ngayon, anong bago sa ating version 4.0? Okay. Ang bago ngayon ay we have this import button. Mag-i-import tayo ngayon ng file, but make sure na ang file name format ay in this format, school year underscore principal number underscore indicator number underscore title. Example, 2020-2021 principal underscore principal 1 underscore indicator 1 underscore school improvement plan. Ayan. So, click natin yung import. Pag nag-import tayo, ayan, kunyari, we have the files here na i-import natin. These are the files. So, nag-follow yan ng ating file name format. Pag sinelect natin ngayon yan, at i-click natin yung OK, i-import ngayon yan ng ating eDMS. So, hintayin natin habang nag-i-import. Yan. So, i-import niya ngayon. Effortless. Basta't sumunod sa file name format, ay i-import niya yung file sa eDMS. Siya na mismo ang kukuha ng school year. Ayan, successfully imported valid files. Okay. Ayan. So, siya na mismo ang kukuha ng ating file name, title, indicator, this is document number, school year. Ayan. And then, automatic isi-set din niya yung ating other details. And then, pwede na natin siyang isort by principal, yung ating content. Ito yung another pagbabago sa kanya. So, ayan, principal 1, 2020-2021. Yan, so that's principal 1. Kasama din niyang i-display dito sa bawat principal, yung nilagyan natin ng 0, 0. Ibig sabihin ng 0 ay kapag nilagay mong 0 sa principal, that means open siya sa lahat ng principals. Pag nilagay mo namang 0 sa indicator, ibig sabihin open siya sa lahat ng indicators. Kaya pwede siyang i-access from other principals kasi nga hindi siya intended for a certain principle. Ayan. So, yan yung bago ngayon. At kunyari, nag-import tayo ng file na hindi naman sumunod doon sa ating file name format, ang gagawin naman ng ating system ay magpa-prompt siya na that file does not follow correct file name format and will not be imported. Ngayon, sasabihin niya, meron siyang na-skip na file during import. Gusto mo bang tingnan kung ano yung mga files na yon? So, kapag i-click mo yung yes, di-display niya ngayon anong files yung na-skip at magkakaroon kayo ng option ngayon na puntahan yung file na yan, ayan, at i-rename mo yung file na yan para ma-import niya ng maayos. So that's the new feature of our eDMS version 4.0. Another thing is I would like to introduce to you is from the settings button. Click nyo yung settings button. We have here the rubrics. What is in the rubrics is our, I will just click the rubrics, this one. Okay, this is actually the assessment tool. So from here, you will find the MOB's documents needed for a certain principle and indicator. So I would like to give credit for the file, this courtesy copy of Deped R12 through KCD, Kidapawan City Division, SBM validation team. So thank you so much for the copy. So this is their assessment tool. I will just close this one. Okay. And from the data source, you can find where your content resides. Yeah, this is our data source. And then I will just click close. If you are to change your data source, you just click here. But this time you will not be changing, so I will just close this. This actually will quit the application. Okay, so that's all. That's how we install eDMS version 4.0, and those are the new features we have added in this version of eDMS. For other ways of working with eDMS, please check our videos previously uploaded about our eDMS. Wala namang pinagkaiba masyado sa other features. Dito lang sa version 4.0, we have this import and we have various settings na naka-add tayo. And then dito naman sa baba, ayan nakalagay, license for use by, ayan, sino yung gagamit, then product activated. Pag hindi activated yung product mo or you're using a trial version, click mo lang itong dito sa baba to activate your product, need your school ID, and etc. Thank you so much for watching. I hope makatulong ito sa mag-i-install ng bagong version ng ating eDMS.